Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Sheila, and welcome back to another comfort food collab video. This is week 2, and I'm happy to bring you a new recipe. Last week I did the broccoli ham and cheese. Today I am going to do a chicken enchilada pasta. I'm also going to serve it with rolls and Caesar salad because I have Caesar salad that needs to be used, and who doesn't love salad on the side of pasta? I first couldn't decide if I wanted to do excuse me, garlic bread or cornbread. I really was going to do cornbread, but I don't know how well cornbread goes with Caesar salad. So I am going to do yeast rolls. I'm just using the frozen Rhodes dough. I knew that was going to happen. Rhodes dough, roll dough, frozen out of the freezer. Oh my gosh. I'm not even editing. You guys, you get the real deal. But before I leave for work this morning, I wanted to chop my veggies, which is just bell peppers, jalapeno, and some onion. Get them in a bowl, get them in the ice box so that they're done. My chicken is defrosting. I'm going to use a package of chicken thighs. They have a lot more flavor than the chicken breast, and I don't know, we tend to use more chicken thighs than chicken breast. And I'm going to use 2 small cans of medium enchilada sauce, 1 can of fire roasted rotel tomatoes, and 1 can of fire roasted green chilies, and then a box of penne pasta and 1 block of cream cheese. And then I may need to add a little bit of chicken broth as needed, or milk, but I'll probably use chicken broth. And I'm going to use a taco seasoning packet. I could use the seasonings, you know, the cumin and chili powder. I have all that, but I'm just going to use a taco seasoning packet to make it easier and to make sure that it's flavorful enough without one being overpowering. Cumin is so powerful sometimes that I don't know, to me it kind of takes over and I don't quite have that balance down right. So I'm going to utilize a packet just to make sure I get what I want. And I am also going to use probably about a cup, maybe a cup and a half of shredded cheddar cheese. And that is going to be our dish. Let's hop into it.
Child, I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Your life you've tried to be a good man inside. Did everything that you thought you should. Didn't seem to do you any good. I know you've tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time.
So I was doing that chopping. Not only do I have the veggies done for the pasta tonight, I also have half a red pepper, half a red bell pepper, half a green pepper, and half an onion. That is for spaghetti in a couple nights, so I don't have to cut veggies for that. So anytime you're cutting vegetables, Think ahead of what else you are cooking through the week. Go ahead and chop them all at once. Save yourself a little bit of time. So, I'm about to head out to work, and here are my rolls. I'm just going to cover them. They will rise through the day. My ingredients are out for my pasta tonight, except for the cream cheese. I will have one of the boys do that when they get home from school. And my chicken is defrosting in the sink. So, yay! It's time for a good comfort food dinner tonight, and it's chilly outside. Brr.
How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. I know you tried so hard. I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer will you suffer in this life? But don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, a new best friend. Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. I hope I'll be happy without you, but right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over, you chose someone else, my best friend. 2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy.
How great did that creamy deliciousness look? Oh my goodness. I had a small serving with the salad and a roll, and I loved it. I loved it. This was a new recipe for me, but I took all of our favorite things and kind of just smashed them together for a alternative for Taco Tuesday. I am always looking for an alternative for Taco Tuesday outside of just tacos. Nothing wrong with tacos. You guys know we live in Texas, and Tex-Mex is a big part of our cuisine, and usually have 1 or 2 Mexican themed dishes throughout the week, whether it be one of them takeout from our favorite restaurant or tacos or that nature. I haven't made taco egg rolls in a long time. Those are delicious. Those are great dippers and appetizers, fun stuff like that. That's another option. But anything for Taco Tuesday that is just a little bit warmer and creamier, especially in the winter months, is nice. So I'm happy to have this now on my meal ideas for Taco Tuesday and for the comfort food too. So I can't wait to see what you made. If you join me, please don't forget to come back and let me know so I can add your recipe to the playlist. Everybody is welcome to join in. I would be happy to have you join us. It'd be great. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's too much. And yeah, we're crazy.